Hello guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever country you are. If you are new here, my name is G Maro, all the way from TZ, all the way from Tanzania, currently living in Switzerland. Today I'm gonna prepare for you, I'm gonna make for you vanilla cake. Okay, here are my ingredients. As you see here, 1 cup sugar, 2.5 cup flour, 1 cup milk, 3/4 oil, cooking oil, 1 spoon vanilla, tablespoon vanilla, 2 tablespoon baking powder, and here the mixer I'm gonna use is this one here. Okay guys, come along with me. Okay guys, we're gonna start it. So, I forgot one ingredient. Then I have 4 eggs here. This one 3. I have 4 eggs. Okay, 4 eggs. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna start it. I start with eggs. Sugar. Then eggs. Okay, let's do it. Guys, this is the mixture of eggs and sugar. We start mixing step by step. Okay, so now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons vanilla, and 1 tablespoon vinegar. Okay, then we mix again. Then we start mixing again. And now I'm gonna add oil. This one oil. Then I mix again. Okay, now I'm gonna mix baking powder, milk, and flour. So the work of this one, it's already finished. I'm gonna use another one because what I'm gonna use now, I cannot use flour with this mixer, is too small. So I'm gonna use another mixer. This one, it's already. This one finish. Finish. Now I'm gonna use this. Okay. So now I'm gonna add 2 spoons baking powder. Okay, and I'm gonna add milk. So you just add milk and flour, you stir it. Yeah, it's add. So my mixer, it's ready, as you see. Okay. So I'm gonna use this one for baking. And so now I'm gonna apply milk. Oil to avoid sticking. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I appreciate so much. So later you're gonna see the outcome of my cake. Guys, as you see, my cake, it's ready. It's so yummy. You see? This is how it's look like. So I'm gonna wait because it's so hot. So then after we serve, we eat. Normally here, for example, Italian style, we are eating cake after eating. I don't know Italian or that. And another countries, I don't know, but in this our culture here, Italian culture, we eat cake after eating. So I think all over the world, I think. Okay, ciao guys, and I'm gonna say thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Next time I'm gonna make for you You,